What's good, y'all boys? What's up, YouTube? Just got off work. Finna rush to the gym real quick. Give y'all boys that cold start. As y'all can see, that shit is loud as fuck. If y'all didn't know. What the fuck? Go ahead. But yeah, boys, we gonna just be heading to the gym tonight. You know, probably just chop it up with y'all boys on the way, but y'all know the car just started, so I'ma see y'all when it's warm. Alright, boys, car's warm. Maybach Sport, back out of bed, and we got a tunnel coming up. Go. Oh, I forgot, y'all. So we are going to the gym, but we are gonna make a quick little bank run right now. That's what I'm doing. Car sounds so motherfucking good, bruh. I swear. Can't get enough. Get y'all boys some revs. Alright. Y'all done with the transaction. Oh my gosh. Tried to free my dog. For these bitches, only money what I care about. But yeah, bro, we heading to the gym tonight. It's like 12. It's like 1. What the fuck I say that shit? God damn. It's 1:12 a.m. But we gotta make one more stop. We gotta stop by the crib real quick, grab some clothes, cause I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This wasn't part of the plan to go to the gym tonight. I was just planning to record some content, maybe go wash the car, take some flicks. But I was like, bro, why not go to the gym and just make it into content, bro? Cause it's like, as I told y'all, bro, I'm really trying to be more consistent, like what I said in the previous video, bro. So I'm just gonna be pumping this shit out right now, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, dog. But we'll see how that shit goes. Yo, chat. Just came past the DoorDasher coming down the stairs, bro. This man see me with a big old camera on my head. Must say, what the fuck I got going on, bro? But yeah, just went, grab a quick change of clothes. And we off. But yeah, bro, as I was saying though, I don't know, bro, this wasn't really planned, but I don't know, maybe I think I'm gonna try and intertwine these different goals of mine, bro. Cause y'all ever got that feeling when y'all really just trying to lock in on every aspect of your life, bro, but it's like so hard, especially if you got a lot of different things, bro. Cause it's like I got a lot of this other shit right, but then it's like maybe one or two more things, you know what I'm saying, bro? It's like one or two more things you need to get right, and then that just makes you feel like you ain't doing enough, bro. Like, that's the point where I'm at right now. Oh shit! Bro, that's the thing though, we're going too fast, bro, on them empty roads. Like, that's just too much wind noise. I know, like, I don't even know what it's gonna sound like until I rewatch it, but that's what I was talking about in the previous video too. That was a long ass yeah session. But yeah, bro, we almost at the gym. And I just wanted to let y'all know, bro, whatever y'all working towards right now, bro, just keep going, dog. Like, bro, just keep going. I know you might feel like giving up right now, but just keep going, bro. You never know. It might be tomorrow. Why give up today when the day could be tomorrow? You know what I'm saying? Seen the DRLs in these mirrors right here. Fuck, I came the wrong way. Can't even see it. But yeah, bro. Amp Fitness. That's where I'll go. If y'all made it this far in the video, appreciate you. And leave a comment, bro. Leave a comment. What gym you go to if you go to the gym? You know what I'm saying? If you made it this far. But yeah, chat, made it to the gym. She just finished cooling down with her fan. We at the gym right now. Finna go put this work in, bro. If y'all made it this far, appreciate y'all. Y'all keep going and y'all stay safe.